South Africa sanibingelela ngaliza kwethu namhlanje mhla ka7 kulo nyaka 2025 enyangeni uApril. Banganza ukuthi siphuma ngapha eJelemarisburg ke njengoba sodabeni lika baba umfowethu uGugu kaDlamini nimazi ngecala liboshelwe. Bafethu sidangele phela amazwi sidangele nje kanza kwethu engingakusho nje ngithi nomuntu osekhaya neBhayibheli akafunde udaba lika Josefa lo okuyena uthi ukechaza amaphupho ukuthi kuyenzakala lithini udaba lwakhe lokho nje engingakusho kwamanje. Bongosi
sanibonani. Angikho right umoya wami ulimele kakhulu. So uningi nje mfethu okwenzakalayo. Leyandoda leyo ihlukumezekile kakhulu, and the more engage nayo ziningi izinto ey'velayo, and it's so interesting, and I can't wait ukubona isiphetho sale case. Kunzima ngema lapho
umhlaba nje uzoyibona ireality ukuthi umhlaba unjani. Sometimes impilo is not fair, yabo engakusho, but ke angeke sisho kuningi kanza kwethu, kodwa uNkulunkulu ukhona empilweni yakho baba uGugu Dlamini. Lokho ngingakusho. Siyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosozi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Welikumbula iqala ala Gugu Dlamini lolaphana ejele longenile iqala lokuthi urape udlingile umfana waseswakhe uNtuzu noNhle Dlamini. So Thuleleni TV nebameli bebayelaphana prison bayombona, and they are shocked, the guys, but abakhona ngisho nokukhuluma. uGugu Dlamini uhlukubetekile, and they are coming with the new shocking information. And it seems like bona after bamvakashele lapha eprison bayabona ukuthi akanalo uqala, he's actually innocent. They're even saying because they are heartbroken loba uhlukubete ngendlela lesimanga. They are saying ukuthi justice for uGugu Dlamini. Noma abantu abaningi besicabanga ukuthi leqala lelingazothi selahliwe, kuyakhombisa ukuthi lisashisa leqala alilahlwanga, and they're still fighting ukuthi bamtholele justice ubaba Gugu. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm signing out. Goodbye.